Hi everyone, have you ever been walking in Blender, created a few objects, and then suddenly you can't zoom in any further? It feels like you've hit an invisible wall, right? See? Just like this, I can't zoom in anymore. Here is a quick fix for that problem. My top recommendation is to enable all depth inside Edit, Preferences, Navigation. That should fix it instantly. If you prefer not to use all depth, you can also reset your view by selecting the object you want to zoom in on and then pressing the period key on your numeric keypad. That's it for today. See you next time.